Hello, hello, hello. Mic testing. Let me check if I'm live or not. Yeah, I'm live. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Mic testing. Let me check if I'm live or not. So there is a background noise. Hello, hello. So there is a background noise, and because it's really hot here, बहुत गर्मी है भाई यहाँ पे, तो ठीक है यार. Okay, where we were. So I was building couple of application from the past couple of days AI का यूज़ करके, और जो भी है तो काफ़ी सारी applications मैं बना रहा हूँ, जिनमें से एक है हमारे पास ऋषि. इसका नाम ऋषि है. सो बेसिकली इसमें होता क्या है, ये इट्स वेरी सिमिलर टू चैट जीपीटी, बट वी आर यूजिंग इट कैन रन विदाउट इंटरनेट. सो आई एम यूजिंग ओलामा, and in Olama I have two models, Gamma 3 with 4 billion parameter and 12 billion parameter. Okay, so if I select 4 billion, सो इसमें बेसिकली अभी के लिए क्या है, हमारे पास लेफ़्ट साइड पे हमारे पास सारी की सारी कन्वर्सेशंस आ जाएंगी. यू कैन ऐड मल्टीपल कन्वर्सेशंस, यू कैन डिलीट, and you can select different system prompts. You can add different system prompts here as well. So I'll be going with the URL helpful assistant as of now. And right side pay we can switch to different models. We can download more models, and then it will be visible here, and we can select from those. And नीचे सिंपल एक टेक्स्ट फील्ड है, राइट साइड पे इमेज है, बिकॉज वी कैन प्रोवाइड image as an input, and then we can do different kind of things on that image. जैसे कि आप what are the different colors in the image, क्या text है image के अंदर, these kind of things. Then I have added the option as an audio input as well. So like we can simply say I just need to press the space bar like this, and after that it start listening to my voice, and whenever I again press the space bar, it will just immediately take that input and send to the Gamma 3 4 billion parameter, and then it will respond accordingly. So let me show you a demo. Let me just end this one. So मैंने स्पेस बार प्रेस कर दिया है. सो दिस इज़ माई इनपुट, एंड नाउ ऋषि इज़ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एंड ही रिस्पॉन्डेड विद दैट. सो इसके अंदर मैंने काफ़ी कुछ और ऑप्शन ऐड किए हैं, जैसे कि इफ़ लेट्स सपोज आपको एक SVG आइकन क्रिएट करना है, उसके लिए मैं एक बार 12 बिलियन पैरामीटर पे चला जाता हूँ, बिकॉज इसके रिज़ल्ट थोड़े और अच्छे होते हैं. इवन दो इट इज़ लिटल स्लोअर एज़ कम्पेयर टू 4 बिलियन पैरामीटर, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज वेट साइज इज़ स्मॉलर. But let's see. So create a robot SVG icon. So इसमें क्या होगा कि जैसे ही ये SVG का कोड हमें देगा, तो मैंने एक ऑप्शन ऐड किया है कि we can preview that SVG icon in this editor only. So we don't need to go to different what do you call it, different websites to copy the code from here and put it over there, something like that, or to save this into a what do you call it, text editor. So हम यहाँ से ऐसा कर सकते हैं. If you see here preview SVG, so इसने कुछ तो create किया है. Let's see the results. So this is the results. So we can just toggle this one, and whenever we are previewing this SVG, you'll see one more icon over here. So from this one, if you hover it, it will show you download SVG as SVG file. So we can download this one as well. So if I download this one, and let me go to here. So this is the SVG. So this one. So ऐसे आप इसमें SVG icon भी create कर सकते हो, right? And what else we can copy this one. हम इस कोड को कॉपी कर सकते हैं. We can paste it anywhere else, maybe SVG और HTML व्यूअर में भी दिख जाता है. तो यहाँ पे भी हम इसको पोस्ट करके देख सकते हैं, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ठीक है. And what else? what else, let me go to, okay, and we can also create a HTML landing page, create a landing page in HTML CSS in single file. So if you like to customize for the UMS, no, create a landing page in HTML. I don't know what happened, इसने कुछ तो गलत कर दिया, but it should be responding. ओके, सो ये एक HTML पेज क्रिएट कर रहा है. तो जैसे हमने SVG को प्रीव्यू किया है, वी कैन हैव दी ऑप्शन टू प्रीव्यू HTML कोड एज वेल इन दिस चैट विंडो ओनली. सो लेट्स सी, अभी ये कोड लिख रहा है, देखते हैं जैसे ही लिखते हैं, देन विल ट्राई टू प्रीव्यू दैट वन. So it only picks whatever the HTML file. It will ignore the here the HTML code for simple landing page, something like that. So जैसे आप देख पा रहे हो. और उसके बाद क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा भी हो रहा है, तो मैंने इसको क्या किया, जैसे ये कंप्लीट करेगा, इसका जो हाइट है वो भी कम हो जाएगी, एंड देन वी कैन सी दैट, या समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो इफ़ यू सी हियर, so we have this one and we can preview, and when we are preview this one, so we can see how is it, and so यहाँ पे हम HTML को भी रेंडर कर सकते हैं, एंड यू हैव दिस ऑप्शन एज वेल. सो प्रीव्यू किया, एंड देन उसके बाद एक और है हमारे पास कि इसमें डार्क मोड भी सपोर्टेड है. राइट नाउ वी आर इन दी डार्क थीम. वी कैन गो टू लाइट, एंड यू सी हियर the preview, everything is working fine. So these are the few features I have added in this chat GPT kind of thing, chat editor, AI editor, sorry, note editor, AI chat. You can have different chat models or LLMs here. So ये locally सर्व कर रहा है ओलामा का यूज़ करके. So ये मैंने बनाया है, अभी इस पे काम कर रहा था, एंड इसमें ये कुछ ऑप्शन भी ऐड कर दिए हैं, एंड या सो इट कैन प्रीव्यू दैट. उसके बाद आप इसको कॉपी कर सकते हो, एंड या सो अभी के लिए इसमें इतना ही कुछ है. Why is it blur? Okay, it's not blur, it's good. I hope कि आवाज़ आ रही होगी. सो अभी के लिए इसमें इतना ही कुछ है. ठीक है, देन वी गो टू, ओके, सो अभी देखते हैं कि what we can create here. So I was thinking to build something like let's see, we have couple of options. Okay, Face Fusion, Comfy UI, voices, hi everyone. If someone is watching, I don't know. Okay, let's build something new. What should we be building? Okay, maybe a wallpaper app, or what else? Let's use some public APIs. So earlier today, let me check. Okay, dark theme पे ही है. So GitHub पे जाएंगे and what else GitHub पे जा कर के we go to explore section of GitHub. Okay. Let's see. Sorry, let's see क्या ट्रेंडिंग है अभी. AI H1 ट्रेंड कर रहा है रेपोजिटरी में. पब्लिक APIs ऑब्वियसली ट्रेंड कर रही है. Reactive elegant structure AI Copilot CI chats post in-app agents agenting last mile. Okay. YouTube Music. Maybe I can add a support in my chat app. So we can add PDF or something, some other things, but ठीक है. Okay, let's see. Oh, spoken language, sorry. Swift. देखते हैं iOS में क्या ट्रेंड कर रहा है. Try automated insulin delivery system for iOS based on the open API algorithm with adaptations. Okay. Hot reloading for Swift application. And it's sponsored. Oh. Hot reloading workflow helper that enable you to save hours of works. Hot reloading workflow helper that enable you to save hours of time each week regarding a UI kit. Okay, let's see. ओके, ऐप किट यूज़ कर रहा है ये. लोड व्यू विल मूव. सो आई थिंक ये क्या कर रहा होगा, बाइंडिंग वगैरह यूज़ कर रहा होगा रन टाइम पे अपलोड करने के लिए. लेट मी शो यू, नॉट शो यू बट समथिंग सिमिलर टू, और मे बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग दैन दैट. ओके, मैं आपको एक चीज़ दिखाता हूँ. सो आई वॉज बिल्डिंग दैट वन. सो लेट मी शो यू अ डेमो. ओके,
succeeded.
you will see a demo. It's very interesting. So first time I'm going to show it. Okay, if you see here, if you see my screen here, right, so we can build layouts for the SwiftUI application without even opening the Xcode. If you have this application which I'm building right now, it is like POC is done. I have added lot of things. I'm just adding more and more things, and I'll be launching it very soon. So let's suppose I wanted to to build some UI. Let's take an example. Let's take an example of yeah, just take it simple. Like, so let's suppose we have a VStack. I'll just simply press enter, and you see we have a canvas. We have dark mode as well. On the left side you see the layout tree, like what are the components we have added so far. And we have two more things. We can delete this node here. Yeah, it will be long gone. And let me add it again. And as soon as you drop this VStack on the canvas, you will see on the right side, which is the most important thing, you will see the code is written by itself as soon as you drop this VStack here. Okay. And there are a couple of more things. You can copy the code, you can export this file, you can save this template. So if let's see, I have already saved a simple one, so I can simply load this one. See, you see the code here, you see the UI as well. And let me just hide those lines. So this is the UI. You can just simply copy this one and you're good to go. That's it. So let me delete everything. I can just delete it. And let me show you an example. Let me just add VStack first, and let me hide. Okay. And inside VStack, let me add just a simple text. Okay, here we go. So in that text, what I can do, I can change its properties. And keep an eye on the right side. The code will be generated automatically as soon as I add more properties to it. So when I clicking on this brush icon, you will see a lot of properties, like you can add padding, corner radius, frame, border, rotation, scale, offset, foreground color, background shadow, a lot of things. So let me just change the font weight first, or maybe font size. Yeah, as of now I just given the slider for the it's easy to use the slider instead of just providing the value. But later on I'll be giving you the option to just insert the font size value in a text field or something. So if you see, as soon as I'm changing this one, so you'll see real time preview, and code is also changing, if you see here. Okay. And after that, let me change the font weight as well. And if you see here, you can see like this property is already applied. But yeah, obviously you can add as many as properties and multiple times as well. Okay, let me add the font weight, and initially it is regular, but we'll go with bold. See, it changed again. And let me change the color of this property as well. Let me change to foreground color to black to maybe red or maybe yellow. Yeah. And then after, let me add an icon as well inside this VStack. So let me go to image. So the default is star, and let me align this VStack to center properly. So let me go to alignment. It will center the alignment. So as you can see here, this text, and then we have this little star which is very small. So let me change the property of this little star as well. So let me go to resizable first. I'll add the resizable. As of now we can toggle this property, and let me change. So as soon as I click on resizable, it will fill the default behavior of SwiftUI, but we can change the size of this one. And there you go. So we can change this one, we can change the height as well. So how cool is that, right? And let me change the color as well. So if I go here, let me change the foreground color to maybe green. Yeah, I'll go with green. And then maybe this VStack, I can change the spacing as well. So I go to spacing, apply spacing, and I can change. Let me skip it 0. And apart from that, what I can do, I can just go to I can click here, and I can change the text of like the text now. So let me give it uh, hello SwiftUI guys. Okay, and then after, let me click on this image and let me change it to car. Sorry, I think it should be small. Yeah, car. Yeah, so I think maybe I can put every time small. I don't know, like if this is case sensitive in SF symbols, but if this is, then I'll check, otherwise it's good. So you can see this car is there, and I can add more properties, like I can rotate this one. If I add this one, right, and I can rotate this one, man. How cool is that? And the code you are seeing here, it is like on the right side you can see the code written in real time. And after that, let me, yeah, I think it's enough. Let me just copy this one and show you how cool is that. So let me open a demo application. So I have a demo application. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. So let me just open this one, and so from here I can just copy whatever the code here. I don't know if even it is very good for the non-developer. And let me just put it that way. Let me just resume this one, and let me also first of all listen. So this is our UI in our application, which is in progress, and this is the exact UI in demo in SwiftUI. There's no difference, right? There is no difference, man. How cool is that, right? So yeah, so I'll be publishing this very soon, and it's interesting how it is working, right? So that is the demo I was showing, and I'll be, so let's see. अभी कुछ और बनाते हैं, इस पे मैं अभी काम कर रहा हूँ. कोई नहीं देख रहा भाई, बट कोई बात नहीं. Later on they will realize how cool that was. Soon. So let's suppose I wanted to build some UI. Let's take an example. Let's take an example of EDUI. Okay, and then after, let me click on this image and let me change it to car. Sorry, I think it should be small. Yeah, car. Yeah, so I think maybe I can put every time small. I don't know, like if this is case sensitive in SF symbols, but if this is, then I'll check, otherwise it's good. So you can see this car is there, and I can add more properties, like I can rotate this one. If I add this one, right, and I can rotate this one, man. How cool is that? And on a very okay, so you can see this car is there. Okay, so अभी build करते हैं something new. So I was thinking to, okay, let's ask ChatGPT. Suggest me some ideas for my new app in macOS. AI code review assistant. Okay, scan. Okay, Postman alternative for macOS, lightweight native macOS with offline storage, auto doc generation, AI based request template suggestion. That's cool. SwiftUI component generator. Yeah, SwiftUI component. ये तो मैं बना ही रहा हूँ भाई ऑलरेडी. Time boxing planner with AI suggestion. Audio mood board. Wi-Fi health analyzer. Visualize signal strength, channel congestion, device usage over time. Great for home office optimization. App focus filter. AI plus macOS AI power screenshot search. Screenshot search. What is that? OCR semantics. Okay. ठीक है. Voice control. macOS automator speak natural language command to run Apple script. Open apps. Move files. Fetch info. This is cool. Okay, I wanted to build this one. Real-time graph of signal strength. Historical trends are okay. Show overlapping network what channels you're using. Recommend optimal channel. Device usage tracker. CRP scanner. Bonjour. Okay. Track bandwidth usage. Connection history per device. Heat map option but powerful. Wi-Fi strength visualization across your home or office. Use laptop location signal data to generate a simple heat map. Switch to QI. Core VLAN or Wi-Fi data through Core VLAN is a deprecated. It still works for macOS app. Combine network and charge plotting. Bonus notification for weak signal detection. Switch to interference. Okay, let me go to this one. Wi-Fi is not only super useful as for remote work startup, but it's also a great project to dive into networking, system monitoring, and a bit of data visualization aspect. Show real-time and historical Wi-Fi signal strength. Bonus link signals to specific physical location if using mobile devices. I wanted to create an macOS app Hello, hello, hello. Uh, yeah, I was on mute. Let me check. Let me check. क्या आप में से अरे स्टिल वन इज़ वॉचिंग ओके नो इश्यूज़ ओके सो ये क्रिएट हो गया देन उसके बाद वी हैव सर्विसेज वाईफाई स्कैनर ऑब्वियसली वी नीड वाईफाई स्कैनर services Wi-Fi scanner then we have view models Wi-Fi scanner view model चाहिए होगा हमको व्यूज़ में अभी के लिए डैशबोर्ड एक ही फाइल चाहिए होगी नो 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 लेट मी क्रिएट ग्रुप फर्स्ट then we have utility and basic MVPs will be ready after that just cancel it create a new group utilities and then helpers देख लेंगे हेल्पर के अंदर क्या होगा ऑलराइट ओके सो सबसे पहले हमारे पास मॉडल है मॉडल के अंदर वाईफाई नेटवर्क है विच इज़ फाउंडेशन एंड कोर विलन आई थिंक कोर WN is a native iOS I don't know I'm using it for the very first time okay वाईफाई नेटवर्क हो गया then we have वाईफाई स्कैनर सर्विस के अंदर again foundation okay Wi-Fi network LAN okay so it is optional so add this one bro if it is optional channel okay channel is not optional huh make it optional then bro are you good now okay all right so next what we have Liskov substitution principle use कर रहे हैं observable scanner view model then we have dashboard UI Swift UI charts वगैरह ले रहे हैं भाई साहब इसमें वाईफाई सिग्नलाइजर दिस एंड दैट नेटवर्क स्ट्रिंग interpolation network.channel which is an optional one so we'll go with 0 ठीक है और मे बी -0 whatever कुछ भी रख लेते हैं अभी के लिए ठीक है किस क्या रेंज है अच्छा नेगेटिव है optional utility styling I don't know what that is and then we have dashboard UI simply और मे बी कंटेंट के अंदर सिंपली डैशबोर्ड को कॉल कर लेंगे राइट लेट मी रन दिस वन
build succeeded
let me run this one and let's see if we have the UI okay it's as simple as that we don't have anything let me go to देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है okay scan error no Wi-Fi interface okay I think we need to add few permissions as well ना I think so info में जाएंगे ठीक है Okay, no Wi-Fi interface. Scan arrow.
Build started. Build succeeded.
Okay, let's see. Go to Wi-Fi scanner view model. Start scanning. परफॉर्म स्कैन एवरी 5 सेकेंड पे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. डिस्पैच ग्लोबल. ओके, बैकग्राउंड स्कैन पे हम कर रहे हैं. ट्राई स्कैनर. आई डोंट थिंक सो वी नीड दैट वन. नेटवर्क्स. ओके, वी नीड दैट वन. सो कीप इट वीक ब्रो. Okay, we have Wi-Fi scanning. स्कैन थ्रो कर रहा है. वाईफाई नेटवर्क्स. स्कैन में गए. स्कैन इंटरफेस. क्लाइंट डॉट इंटरफेस एल्स. नो वाईफाई इंटरफेस. सो क्लाइंट पे ये तो फट गया है. CCF डॉट लाइन. क्लाइंट पे इंटरफेस पे इसको कुछ नहीं मिला.
Build started. Succeeded.
Okay. Client. Event list 0. Key value pair 0. Interface map. Okay. Okay, all right. So what we can do, I think let me use this one. So I'm getting this one. I think this is the permission error. Means your app is unable to detect this known issue, especially international Apple Silicon. Use this term for offline check fix. Okay, yeah, that is all asking now. Location and always this and that. Yeah, 1 second. One. And second always. Okay, I think same ही है ना ये तो. Now it should
Build
work.
started.
Let's see.
Build succeeded.
Still nothing. Okay, let's see. Build an in the app. You'll get a system prompt like app wants to access your location. No, it is not. Make sure app has location service enabled. Interface properly. Make sure you're calling share.interface. interface. Yeah, we are doing, man. Interface. After you logged in their interface name, no Wi-Fi interface found. If this fails, the system doesn't recognize your device. Example, if you're using a wired connection or on a virtual Mac with no Wi-Fi hardware. अबे नहीं भाई, Wi-Fi से connected है. You're running on a Mac without Wi-Fi. No, that is not possible. uh, Check with this one. Okay, that's a good idea. There are a lot of. Okay, EN0, EN1. Ethernet. Apps launched for command line via Axie will open sometimes leaving the sandbox on text with no location permission. ओके आई थिंक लोकेशन परमिशन भी तो अनेबल करनी पड़ेगी ना इसकी भाई, है ही नहीं लोकेशन तो. First one is location. Let's run this again. Again scanning error. Incoming and outgoing.
Will succeeded.
Okay, so there is a different error found in validating cache. How cool is that, man? This is interesting. Alright, channel 11, so they are Airtel Wi-Fi. So I'm on this one, Airtel Wi-Fi, Airtel Sunny Wi-Fi, 48 dBm. Working now, but getting these warnings. ओके लेट्स सी अगर हम इसको भी वो कर पाएँ. Run in release production, some of these manage only appear in debug mode. Okay, alright. Clean derived data, alright. Then rebuild this, check this and that. Don't manually change anything, but you. Okay, suppress via console filter, which is good. Final verdict, not cause, no dangers, only visible in debug mode. ठीक है. Okay, alright. Okay, so it is working now. All right. So far we are able to fetch Wi-Fi, and so we are getting this unknown. Everything is unknown. Most of are unknown. Okay. So let me go to. Okay. So it is done. What else we can do? What was the Wi-Fi core VLN device list, local subnet data visualization stretch chart framework, local logs, speed test. background task combine time and half life cycle. Yeah, so add speed test feature as well. Option A, use a Swift based library. Speed test by Okla will use a framework like Speed Shell, or option A, Swift HTTP tester. You can't use Okla CLI. Recommended approach, use Okla CLI via process. Step 1, install speed test CLI or get it from Okla, or try running this. This output will be that model speed tester. Okay, speed tester service, run test. Or wherever it is installed. Okay. Okay, command not found. Okay, install कर लेते हैं होम ब्रू को, then we'll see after that. Uninstalling this and that. Okay, I think it's done. Let me rerun it. Okay, it is there, but I think the unrecognized arguments, that is there, that means there. Okay, so it is there. The output should like this, but it is not. Okay, so let me add another model, which is speed test results. All right, then we have speed test service, which will go into services, and ideally it should have protocol. Oh, it does. ठीक है. So we have protocol, run test, this and that, dispatch queue, failure success, help API struct for decoding JSON. Speed test. ठीक है, ये हो गया। देन उसके बाद अपना स्पीड टेस्ट व्यू मॉडल भी रहेगा, विच इज़ ऑल्सो गुड। ठीक है, ऑब्जर्वेबल यूज़ कर लेंगे हम यहाँ पे, कंबाइन यूज़ कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ गुड। ठीक है, देन वी हैव स्विफ्ट UI plus एनिमेशन फ्रेंडली। ओके Swift, okay, so we have UI view which will go here. State object यूज़ कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। Update dashboard to include this one. So give me updated dashboard view. Or it doesn't need.
Build started. Build succeeded.
Whoa. It was better before. What just happened here, man?
Build started. Build succeeded.
ठीक है। I think maybe we should use navigation split view for different features. Create in an app section .swift. Okay. ऐप सेक्शन मॉडल्स में Wi-Fi scanner, speed test service, device scanner, device scanner, Wi-Fi scanner view model is already there. Speed test, device view model, and history. Main navigation, dashboard feature view, Wi-Fi scanner view model is already done. Speed formatter, file exporter, ठीक है. ऐप सेक्शन हो गया. ये हो गया अपना मेन नेविगेशन व्यू. डैशबोर्ड फीचर व्यू which is 60 56 हो गया. हल्का सा कम हो गया बट ठीक है. उसके बाद है अपना स्पीड फीचर, स्पीड टेस्ट फीचर व्यू. Similarly, you can build history and this and that. And main navigation आड़े चला जाएगा. ठीक है. इसमें मैं ये कर दूँगा। उसके बाद हिस्ट्री फ्यूचर व्यू में भी सिमिलर ही कर देंगे। इट्स जस्ट हिस्ट्री फ्यूचर व्यू एंड
Build started. Fail.
बैकग्राउंड
Build started. Build succeeded.
okay. Scanning for networks, it should be in center. Signal strength, it should not be optional. Speed test, okay, which is good. History, device feature,
Build started. Succeeded.
डैशबोर्ड फीचर व्यू, सिग्नल स्ट्रेंथ सेंटर में लेना भाई। स्कैनिंग फॉर नेटवर्क, सिग्नल स्ट्रेंथ, ठीक है। चैनल, import SwiftUI, dashboard feature view, don't need that.
Build started. Build started. Succeeded.
So we have lot of this thing, but why we are just भाई तू दे ना।
Build started. Build succeeded.
हाँ ऐसे दे ना भाई तू। ठीक है, उसके बाद हिस्ट्री, उसके बाद कनेक्टेड डिवाइसेस। दिस इज़ गुड एक्चुअली. हेल्पर में एज ऑफ नाउ कुछ नहीं है. रिसाइकल स्पीड फॉर्मेटर. Speed test. Test fail. Speed test doesn't exist. It does, man, but let me check. ओके सो एक एरर आ रहा है, स्पीड टेस्ट फेल्ड. Obviously because we don't have this thing. Okay, so speed test we need to check where is it. And one more thing we need to do, incoming read only, which is good. Okay. ठीक है. Let's see where is it. Speed test, retrieving speed test with configuration cannot retrieve speed test. तो ये यहाँ पे कहीं पे है. Let's see.
Build started. Build succeeded.
Let's see. CLI path. (403) forbidden. Okay. Where? अच्छा है तो अपना ये इसमें ही भाई. But why it is not working?
Build started. Build succeeded.
When I'm running speed test in terminal, I'm getting this, bro. Okay, the error for using speed test command line tool usually means one of the following issue. Problem, forwarding request. This is not from your code, it is coming from speedtest.net. Oculus CLI rejects request. Missing license GDPR. You must agree to the terms via command line acceptance using unsupported tool or version. Backed by VPN firewall, your network may block the speed test endpoints. So, which speed test? Then run pip uninstall brew uninstall. Okay. Okay, it's done. They require flag on first run or config file saved. This tells the CLI you accepted your usage agreement. Okay with GDPR processing, use JSON format this. Valid if that works, get a path to CLI which speed test. Apple Silicon, Intel, and use the path in your code. Okay. Installing speed test. Your command line tools are too updated. Okay. अरे इंस्टॉल क्या हुआ है फिर do uninstall speed test, no such key. Okay, it's not there. Online tools are to update them for software update. Okay, this is new actually. Setting. Okay, I think we should go with some alternate. That is not a good. Speed test with you is not okay. Can we try some another approach? Absolutely. If using Oculus home isn't working, you can use a Swift based test in URL session. Use Swift Logic native. Begin downloading a large test file or a test chunk endpoint. Record how many bytes per second they receive. Skip upload and ping for now. Can we add it later? Okay. Metric limitations: download speed accurate enough. Good estimate from drag to URL. Need custom post test endpoint. Ping can approach using URL session. स्पीड टेस्ट सर्विस में चेंज है स्पीड टेस्ट सर्विस में हल्का सा will be using a different approach. Okay, view model speed test view model speed test future view. What else? You can easily plug the view into your main that's it.
Build started. Build failed.
तो क्या है वो स्पीड टेस्ट नेटिव कर दिया क्या साला अबे क्या नाम रख दिया भाई उसका स्विफ्ट स्पीड टेस्ट फीचर व्यू इसमें क्या दिक्कत थी भाई तेरे को स्विफ्ट हो कोई सा मर्जी हो डजंट मैटर go with the same approach bro
Build started. Succeeded.
okay let's see if that works or not 85 minutes हो चुके हैं but no one is here that is okay I'm fine with it at least record तो हो ही रहा है Speed test failed. The resource could not be loaded because the app transport security policy required user secure connection. Okay. Okay, ji. Okay. Where is it? बता दे भाई
Build started. Build succeeded. Build started. Build succeeded. Build started. Build succeeded.
अब क्या दिक्कत होगी भाई? स्पीड टेस्ट फेल, नेटवर्क कनेक्शन वाज लॉस्ट.
Build succeeded. Build started. Build succeeded.
Okay. Fast.com. Can we use fast.com? The speed. Okay. Download speed test from the URL. Cocoa pod is gone, bro. I need SPM and T7 client iOS. Carthage. Okay, we'll continue from there, na. G-topping. Yeah, we'll continue from there only. So as of now we have this thing, but ओके सो आज की लाइव में बस इतना ही यार. विल कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम देयर ओनली. और व्हाट एल्स नथिंग. Okay, that's good. Okay, alright, so thanks everyone whoever joined.